In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can get your own detailed and beautiful sketches done entirely with a blue pen. But this time around, you are not doing that manually. We are using AI. Yes, as you can see, I sketched this into this and other persons have made beautiful designs using AI. As you can see here, can you really tell if this is AI or hand sketches? So don't worry guys, because in this video I'll be showing you how you can use a simple prompt in order to get a sketch that looks exactly just like so with any photo of your choice. First of all guys, you need to come on to your browser, then you go to gemini.com. This is gemini.google.com. Once you get to gemini.com, this interface automatically comes up for you. The first thing you need to do guys, remember to upload the picture you want to make a sketch of. And here is the picture I'll be making use of for me. So you can pick any picture of your choice. Let's quickly click on this section that says add files. Once you do that, you click on upload files. So once you click on upload files, remember to locate the image you want to use. For me now, I'll be using this image. So once you get your image, you click on open. So once you do that, it automatically uploads your image to Gemini. The next thing you need to do guys is to provide Gemini with a prompt for you to sketch that picture. So here is the prompt guys. Let's quickly paste this prompt just like so. As you can see guys, this prompt is kind of long, but don't worry because I'll be leaving this prompt in the first comment of this video. So once you upload your picture, you can come and copy this prompt and paste it. Remember to tweak it. As you can see, here is my signature. You can take away my signature, input your signature, and also you can tweak this prompt to be able to get what you're actually looking for. But basically with this prompt, you'll be able to get exact image that looks like so. Without wasting much of your time guys, let's quickly go here and click on submit. Once you click on submit, as you can see, it says just a second. So as you can see guys, it says generating image. So as you can see guys, our image has been generated successfully. This is it guys, this is the image that was uploaded, this is the prompt, and this is the result of what we have. As you can see, it's looking so realistic. Wow, I can't wait for you to try this out and let me know what you feel about this prompt. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.